Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing squishy dares, and I chose I made up 3 squishy dares in my head, and yeah, so let's go with the first one. So I'm going to pick a random squishy. Well, I just picked a marker. Okay, so the squishy I got was this one. I got this. Why is this out? JK, I picked this one first. Seeing if you guys know what it is. Okay, so I got this panda. And I made up this one to cover it in slime. So hooray. So, it's hair on my slime. Okay, so let's beam on my face. Beam on my face. Okay, so matches perfect. So there's the squishy. Okay, now it's gonna unravel it and let's see if it got any defects, which I hope it didn't. Okay, so oh my god, I lost my train of thought. So it barely did anything, but it did take off a little bit of paint right there, which is okay. So yeah, this one saved. The next one, I need to get some supplies for this one. I'm using this green marker, and I'm going to be drawing on one of my squishies. So I'm going to just pick one. Okay, so we got this extra crab and perfect. He's green, and I'll put green on him. So basically, we're just going to write a line on him, so I'm scared. Oh, I'm damaging him. I feel so bad. Anyways, our little crab is drying. Here he is with his mark. It's actually not that bad. He's so squishy, which is good. So, yeah. The next one is pretty weird. I'm going to be picking up a squishy and I'm going to be spraying it with deodorant spray for my armpits, like. Anyways. It smells so good. What am I doing? That's my question. What the heck am I doing? So yeah, let's pick a random one. I don't know which one to pick. This one. Okay. I don't really care about this one, which is okay. Glad I picked this one because, guys, that's what's inside a squishy. A fake one. And yeah, so I don't really care. So I'm going to just anyways, that's that. It didn't really do anything, though. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. My next video will be tomorrow or tonight. It's going to be uses. Yeah, uses, right? What am I doing tomorrow? Oh, I am going to be doing a video over at my friend's house, and we are doing a makeup video, I believe. I don't really know. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time on Squishy World 10127, also known as Kaden. And I'll see you next time. Bye.